This is for you if you're a beginner with manifestation, or if you are more advanced with manifestation and you're like, where in the world is my manifestation and where are the results? It's not working for me. I show you exactly how to consciously manifest in this video so that you can quantum leap and shift into the reality of having your manifestation quickly. I appreciate you subscribing down at the bottom so that you can get a breakthrough in every single video that I put out. And if you feel called, book a breakthrough call with me down below in the description so that you can start transforming your reality and quantum leaping into having what you desire, living the abundant life you deserve. Okay, the question of the hour, what is manifestation? Manifestation is literally just shifting into parallel realities. You're doing this moment by moment by moment. You're shifting into realities. You're doing it 24/7. Manifestation never stops. It's always happening, whether you know about it or you don't. Now, consciously manifesting, that is you shifting into parallel realities, these realities that you actually prefer, that you actually want. Are you with me? The shifting realities is going to make so much more sense by the end of this video, so stay with me. So the way you consciously shift into these realities of where you have your manifestation is through your vibrational frequency. And your vibrational frequency is primarily made up of your beliefs, your emotions, and your actions or behavior. And that is what dictates the realities that you shift to. Now, when you're consciously manifesting, though, and you want to shift to the reality that you actually want and you desire, you must look at your beliefs, because your beliefs are the driving force of shifting these realities, because your beliefs dictate your emotions, and the emotions and the beliefs dictate your actions and your behavior. This is why knowing this information is going to make you 100 times more powerful, because you have the awareness. When something is off in your life or something is off with you, you know exactly what it is and how to pinpoint it right back to the belief, identify what it is, and shift that stuff. Keep in mind that your beliefs are the driving force of you shifting into these parallel realities that you want. This is why when you have a behavior that you are exuding, and you notice it, you're able to check your belief system, because that's what is determining you doing what you're doing in the first place. If you're procrastinating about paying your bills, or you find yourself always procrastinating starting your business or doing something in your business, you can trace it back to your limiting beliefs that you got going on. When you're shifting into these realities, remember, it's a moment by moment thing, and you're shifting based off of your vibrational frequency, your beliefs, right? So from there, I want you to see it as each moment as a film, a piece of film. Remember those film strips? My millennials, you know what I'm talking about, the film strips. So think of each moment as a film strip, and it all has its own, each moment has its own film. So if you unravel it, it's a whole string of events. That's how it works. That is how your reality is, moment by moment, frame by frame by frame. This is why you hear so much about quantum leaping and quantum jumping in the manifestation world. It's because it's possible you can do that. If you're on that, you open up that film strip and you're in frame 1, you can skip to frame 10. That's shifting your reality. That's you having your manifestation. So each film strip is basically a timeline. And so you shift into these different timelines based off of your vibrational frequency again and your beliefs. So if you have a belief of I'm not worthy of money, or it's too hard to start a business, that's its own timeline. But you're not stuck there by any means. All you have to do is shift your belief and you're on another timeline. You can shift that limiting belief that you have of I'm not worthy of money. You can shift it to money comes easily and frequently. I'm abundant. And that's a timeline of you living in abundance and experiencing the manifestations, the conscious manifestations of abundance. Look at it like this. You have your behavior and actions here. You have your emotions here, you have your thoughts here, and you have your beliefs here. So at the top of the food chain is the beliefs. Once you shift the beliefs, everything under it shifts. Your reality shifts. You'll feel better. You'll feel more abundant. You'll feel like that, and you will act like that, and you'll have thoughts like that. This is why just saying positive affirmations may have you still feeling like, well, dang, this stuff is not working still. I still have a car that's messed up. I still have these extra expenses. I still have a job that I hate. This is why it's not about just saying the good stuff. Saying the good stuff doesn't change your vibrational frequency if you have a buttload of resistance and limiting beliefs going on. It reminds me of when I saw The Secret for the first time. I was like, ask, believe, receive. Awesome. I got this. It made me feel so hopeful and so excited about what's coming next. And then so I, did the steps, visualized, did all that good stuff. And I had journals and journals of all the money and the things I wanted to manifest, and I wanted to manifest moving out. This was years and years ago. And I was like, okay, well, what's up? Nothing's happening. And now that I'm thinking about it and further assessing it, it wasn't until I shifted my limiting beliefs that I actually consciously manifested living on my own. Can you relate to that? Have you seen The Secret? Have you been doing the concepts in there? And so that's why I'm like, I'm a firm believer, and I always, always, always tell my clients and my students, check your beliefs. That is the important part, because you can say affirmations. Like I said, you can say affirmations. And you can say affirmations, and you can say the positive stuff when you're around people. Oh, it's a good day. Things are working out for me. This is going to work. This is going to work. But you can't fake a vibrational frequency. You can't fake a belief. Assess your reality. I want you to take inventory of your reality. What are the things, quote unquote, not going right in your life? And okay, you have that. Cool. What's the emotion you feel about those things? All right, cool. And then identify the limiting belief that you have, because it goes back to a limiting belief. That's why all of this stuff is unraveling. And when that stuff shows up in your reality, though, it's not a bad thing. That's something we have to get out of our minds. When we're doing this manifestation stuff, this conscious manifestation stuff, we have to stop seeing things that are not going right as bad. They're not. Have you done that? It's okay, because we've all been there. I used to think, oh, getting an extra expense, oh, it's not a good thing. Or being in traffic, oh, it's not a good thing. Well, guess what? You are where you are because that's where you're meant to be. As you rise in your level of consciousness, you'll be exposed to more information that resonates with you and up-levels you more. The stuff in your physical reality that shows up is just a reflection of the belief system that you have going on. If you don't like something in your reality, check your beliefs. Go back to where it came from. That's what it is. So once you shift your limiting beliefs, you'll see a different reality. And sometimes this can happen within hours, within minutes. I said this on my stories on my Instagram the other day. It was like when I was at a place in time years and years ago. I called a place because I wanted to have my son in a swim class, and they told me the price. And so I got off the phone and I was upset. I was really upset. I was like, oh my gosh, where is the money coming from? And la da 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 da, just going off about the money thing. And so I was like, being the conscious person that I am, I was like, okay, all right, there's something more going on here, right? There's something more. And so I was able to put my belief reprogrammer to the test. At that time, that was in the early stages when I created my belief reprogrammer, the same one that I use for my clients and students now, where they shift their realities in quantum leap. But so I use that. And so I identified the limiting belief, and I was able to shift it and wear the new energy of the new belief. And I kid you not, within a few hours, I got a refund and I was able to put my son in the swim class. Can you relate to that story, right? Where stuff just manifests for you. It just happens that fast. Don't get caught in the toxic positivity. You don't have to pretend to be positive. You know, you're a human. You're allowed to feel emotions. It's not bad if you get sad or you get mad. That's a good thing, because your feelings are guiding you. And that's the beautiful part, because you don't have to identify with your feelings anymore. You don't have to identify, oh, I'm mad, so this makes me mad, and this is how I am whenever this thing happens. No, it's just a limiting belief. That's your emotions show you, I have a limiting belief. Because your emotions are guiding you. That is your higher self, God, or whatever you believe in, that guides you through your emotions. So you can feel, but not be consumed with it and not make that your entire reality. Feel through your feelings, shift the limiting belief, and be on the timeline you prefer. I was actually going to go into the subconscious mind, the conscious mind, and proof, something that you can do so that you can visually see that manifestation exists. But we'll do that in another video. Make sure you subscribe at the bottom so that you can get your next breakthrough and you can start seeing how your subconscious mind goes into this manifestation stuff.